How to make a 90-second reel on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video, I will be going to teach you how to make a 90-second reel on Instagram. So, let's begin. And the very first step is to make sure first that your Instagram app is up to date. So, if your Instagram app is still not updated, please go to your App Store or your Google Play Store and then search for Instagram. Once you have searched for Instagram, make sure to press on it and make sure that there is no update button like this one. So, if you have the update button, make sure to click on it and then open Instagram once it is done updating. So, once you have opened Instagram, go to the Reels section right here, found on the bottom mid of your screen. And then click on the camera button found on the upper right corner of your screen. Once you're here, what you're going to do is to simply click on the second option right here, which is the length. So, to make a 90-second reel, what you're going to do is to click on it and then click on 90 seconds right here. So now, you may record a reel or upload it onto 90-second video. So, again, click on the length right here found on the toolbars on the leftmost part and then choose the 90 seconds. And then now record a video or upload a video and then post it afterward. So that's it. That's how you can make a 90-second reel on Instagram. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.